Okay, 6A. So this is the first session of the review for the final test.
6B, Miss.
Yeah, 6B, sorry. Yeah, so when is the test? The test is still in 2 weeks, yeah. I forgot what day it is, but yeah, you can check the schedule yourself, yeah. And there are how many numbers in the test? Do you know? 40 numbers, and they are all multiple choice problems. Okay, 40 numbers, and they are all multiple choice problems. What units are tested? 6B? Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, and Unit 4. Unit 1 is about talking about feelings, right? With Jade and Amy. And then we have past tenses review. And then we have expressing concerns, again with Jade and Amy. In the second unit, in Unit 2, we have abstract nouns, kinds of verbs. There are 4, yeah? And then first conditional. When we're talking about possibilities of things that are, the possibilities of what we can get if we do something. And then in Unit 3, we have food groups and food categories. One wants, other others, each other, and one another. And in the last unit, Unit 4, we have places to do sports and sports equipment, both and besides, as well as, and the last one, so that, in order to, and so as to. Okay, 6B. Let's move on to Unit 1. Today we're going to we're only going to discuss Unit 1 and Unit 2. For Unit 3 and Unit 4 are going to be discussed, inshallah, on Tuesday. Yeah. Now, because there are 40 numbers and 4 units tested, it means that there are 10 questions for each unit. Yeah. Okay, here are the examples. Yeah. Now, talking about feelings, you can read the words that you can use for describing feelings yourself here. There are positive feelings and negative feelings. And you also learn about how to express feelings with stronger words, right? You can find some of that in the final test too. Now, let's move on to this. Let's solve the problems together. Can I ask Alenka for number 1?
The word that has a stronger feeling than tired is exhausted.
Is it exhausted, 6B? Yes, it is.
Yes.
Yes. What has a stronger feeling than happy?
Overjoyed.
Overjoyed. What has a stronger feeling than angry?
Curious.
It's furious. Yeah. What has a stronger feeling than what else? Yeah, I forgot. Excited. Thrilled. Thrilled.
Really excited.
More excited. Okay. What has a stronger feeling than want?
What?
Want.
Determined.
Determined. What about one more? What is that? Sad.
Miserable.
Miserable. Yeah.
Oh, I heard
Miserable.
bad.
Yeah. Okay. Now number 2. There is a diary entry that and it belongs to Jade. Okay. Let's ask Andra.
Yes,
Yeah.
miss.
What do you think number 2 is?
I was determined when mom and dad say they were saving to buy me prosthetic legs.
You think what? I was?
Determined.
Oh, I was determined. Maybe the others have other answers.
Happy.
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 Anything else?
Excitement.
Excited. Excited, not excitement. Because what do we need here is an adjective. Yeah, can be happy, can be excited, can be what else? All the positive feelings. But it must be an adjective. Yeah. Now, because we compare it with overjoyed, yeah, because we compare it with overjoyed, the best answer must be happy. Okay, well done on that. Next. What else? Number 3. There is a diary entry again by Jay. Now I want to go to Anissa.
A miss is the direct interest that I bravely or I was happy.
I was happy. The best answer is I was happy. But it can be any what is it? Any positive feeling?
I'm overjoyed.
But because we compare it with overjoyed, then the best answer is happy. Yeah.
And my answer number 3 is overjoyed.
Yeah. Number 3. Yeah. Anissa.
Wait, I'm number 3, right? Or what?
Number 3 it is.
Yeah.
What's your answer?
Overjoyed.
Oh, overjoyed.
Yeah.
Here, are you sure this is overjoyed? Now, in the diary entry below,
I was happy or I was bravely.
what are you saying? Is it number 2 or number 2, Anissa?
Number 3. Am I using the direct entry number 2 or direct entry number 3?
Oh, diary entry number 3, of course. In the diary entry below,
Jade uses bravely.
what kind of words are they?
What?
Adverbs.
Adverbs.
Yeah, they are adverbs. Are they verbs? No. Are they adjectives? No. Are they what
No.
else? Are they nouns? No. They are adverbs. Yeah. The ones that are highlighted, the words that are highlighted are adverbs. Bravely, wholeheartedly, cheerfully, and they are all adverbs.
Oh, that.
Adverbs are to show her feelings while doing something. I get dressed happily. I get ready lazily, like that.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Anissa. Next, Akso, number 4.
In school today, our teacher asked us to talk about our dreams. When I told the class that I want to be a mountaineer, everyone
Wait, miss, sorry. Oh, no.
Just wait until Akso
Number
finishes.
3.
I felt hurt.
Yes, I felt hurt by their laughter. Of course, when you tell something exciting to your friends, but your friends
I thought it was
laugh at you, then you will feel hurt. Yes, Daviaska, what do you want to say?
Sorry, never mind.
Okay. Okay, any questions?
It's not embarrassed.
Embarrassed, yeah. But by their laughter, it's done by their laughter, right? It was done by their laughter. When someone laughs at you, how would you feel? Embarrassed or hurt?
Hurt.
Hurt, right? I think it's better hurt, but embarrassed can be, I think embarrassed is a possible answer, but I think the best one is hurt. Okay? Okay, any questions? No? Okay, let's move on to the next topic. What is that? Past tenses review. Now, what did I keep telling you? That this is the key for you to be successful doing this kind of problem, right? This is your key. Now, let's move on to, yeah, what I mean by key is this. Yesterday, last ago, when, while, as, or, since, ever, and a result. Okay, now let's move on to the question. Okay, change the verbs in the brackets into the correct form. Past simple, past continuous, or present perfect. Let's go to Asil. Asil number 5.
Yesterday, our teacher told us to help anyone who needs help.
Our teacher told us. Yes, well done. Why is it told? Because yesterday, guys, you can see that there is a key here, keyword, which is yesterday. If the keyword is yesterday, it means that the answer is in past simple. How do you change it into past simple? You change it to a verb to. The verb to of tell is told, right? Okay, next, number 6. I'm gonna go to Abian.
I want to buy a new bag. I had this old backpack since I was 10.
Since I was 10. That is the
Miss,
key.
Miss,
Since, yeah,
Since
can I have the answer number 4 because your voice is not really clearly.
number
I can I hear your voice clearly? Yeah.
4 was hurt.
Okay.
Okay, now the key is this. Since I was 10, right? So the best answer must be in
Present perfect.
present perfect. So what's the present perfect of have?
Had.
There must be a have or a has plus verb 3. Because the subject is I, what do we use? Have or has?
Has.
Have. We have. And then what is the verb 3 of have?
Had.
Had. So what's the answer?
I has had.
Have, dear, have. I have had. Yeah. I, you, they, we have. He, she, it has.
Oh.
Yes. What? Why is it like this? Because of this. There is since. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now number 7. Let's go to who's that? Bianca.
I was playing with the other students when she suddenly fell in front of me.
How did you know? There is a keyword in the sentence. What is the keyword? When. Yes. That's it. So please pay attention to the keywords here, guys. Yes, the answer is I was playing and then she suddenly fell in front of me. Okay, nice. Number 8 now. Number 8. I'm going to,
Miss,
yes.
why at number 7? A said, "What were you doing? It happened." What does that mean?
What were you doing when it happened? When this thing happened, the fall.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Number 8. Let's go to Bintang ya, Bintang.
Damar has invited me to his house to taste his cooking.
Is that right, 6B?
Yes.
Can you find any clues there?
A result?
No, there are no clues. There are no keywords in this sentence. So the answer is most likely in past
Simple.
Yes, if there are no clues or whatsoever, there are no results.
Oh, okay.
The answer is most likely the past simple, invited. Okay, remember that, yeah, 6B. Okay, any questions about this?
No.
No.
Okay, let's move on to,
Miss, I have a question.
yes, dear.
The keyword for past simple is yesterday, less and ago, right?
Yes.
In ago, do you mean like there is a word in the text ago or like past ago?
What do you mean? Can you repeat that, Bintang?
Like in the text, there is a word ago or like in the past, like 10 years ago. Oh, no. I understand now.
Yeah, there is something ago, like 10 years ago, 2 years ago, 3 days ago, 3 minutes ago. Then the answer must, the sentence must be in the past simple, but also with last, yeah. Last year, last decade, last century, last minute. The answer is also in the past simple. Okay. Next, number 9. There is a dialogue here between Amy and Jade. I want to go to Dafiaska. What does Amy say here?
What was happening? IG?
So what does Amy say here? Hi, Jade.
Hi, Jen. What are you doing here?
Not what are you doing?
No. Not like that. No. Hi, Amy.
How are you?
Look at the title here.
Yes.
Expressing concern. What do you say when you are expressing your
I
concern?
almost said that. Hi, Jen.
How
How
are
are you?
you?
Oh,
How
how
are
are you?
you?
Yeah, can be.
I almost
Hi,
want to
Jade,
say
how
that.
are you now? Like that. Because he knew that, because Amy knew that Jade was upset when she received his math, not his, yeah, her, oh my God, her math test result. Then Amy is asking about the update of her feeling right now. So, hi Jade, how are you feeling now? Or hi Jade, how are you now? Like that. And then Jade says,
How are you? Is it fine? My answer is how are you?
How are you feeling?
oh, hi
Is it
Amy, I feel upset that I have disappointed my parents. And then what does Amy say next? Fatin.
Is there anything I can help you with?
Is there anything that I can help? Yeah.
What is it, Fadil? Huh?
What can I help you?
RA number 10. How can I help you? Yes. How can I help you? What else? No. Now, can you help me?
So?
Is there anything I can do to help?
Is there anything?
Yes.
Yeah, something like
May
that.
I
Like,
help you?
can I help
Uh,
you? Yes.
My answer is what can I help you? Is it fine?
What can I help you with? Like that.
Yeah. Is it fine?
Fine. Okay. So first, Amy is expressing her concern here, and then Amy is offering her help, right? Is there anything I can do to help you? That's how you offer your friends your help. Copy that. Do you need to copy it? No? You're done? Okay. Okay, let's moving on to unit 2. Any questions about unit 1?
No.
No? Okay. Unit 2, short stories, where you meet Wang and the tiger. Right? Before we go to the grammar, there is a topic about abstract nouns. How can you make an abstract noun? You can make an abstract noun by adding a suffix to the word. Okay, now let's add some suffixes to the words. Number 11, A. What is that, guys? Foolish, foolish, foolish ship, foolishness.
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 What about act? Action,
Action.
Action.
Action. Good. Excite. Excitement.
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 Exciteship. No. Excitement. Yeah. Happy.
Happiness.
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 Happiness. Oh.
Movement.
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 Movement. Okay. Copy that. 6B.
Miss, I just like write the nation month like that.
Yeah.
Is it fine?
Fine.
Okay.
Okay. What about participate?
Participant.
Participation.
Participation. Manage.
What?
Manage.
Management.
Management.
Good.
I heard manage.
Inform.
Or
Inform.
Arm.
What did you say?
Inform.
Farm.
form.
Farmers.
Warm.
Foreman.
Information.
Um,
Information, guys.
Arm.
Oh.
Okay,
I
number
didn't hear
12.
you.
I want to go to Fatir. Fatir. Fatir, number 16 and number 12, please. Fatir, can you hear me? Oh. It seems like Fatir cannot hear me, yeah? Yeah. Okay. Children.
Huh?
Well done, Fatir. Yes. Safety, Fatir says. Okay, good.
Safety. Unsay safety, miss. Unsay.
That's right. Okay, number 13. Let's go to Alia.
Is I'm right? Yes.
Al.
Oh, this is so easy.
Let Alia finish.
Alia.
Alia. Unmute first, yeah.
Exhaustion.
Yes, miss.
What is the answer for number 13?
Exhaustion.
That's for Ali.
Alia. Number 13.
After a long race, Baba makes the rabbit stop and rest under a tree.
exhaustment.
What is the blah blah blah?
Exhaustion.
Exhaustion.
Yes, exhaustion. Exhaust is with yeah. It's here, right? Yeah, everything is here. Number 12 and number 13 are here. Okay. Done, 6B? Okay, let's move on to the next topic, which is kinds of verbs. Okay. What do action verbs do? They show what happens in the story and what the characters do. What do perception verbs do?
So what the character do? There are 5 senses.
Okay, 5 senses. What are they? Sight, smell,
See,
behave.
hear, smell, taste,
Hear, see, notice, taste, smell.
Yes, that's right.
feel.
What do saying verbs do? They show how the character speaks, right? And then the last one, thinking and feeling verbs. They are to show the character's thoughts and feelings. What you do with your brain and what you do with your heart, right? Now, let's move on. Number 14. Rani. Hi, Rani.
Yes, Miss.
Number 14, please.
Play, dance, and break are example of
What verb?
mm,
Action, perception, saying.
action.
Yeah,
Action.
action verbs. They are action verbs, yeah. Play, dance, break are examples of action verbs. Okay, good. Next.
Action.
That's right. Number 15. Yella.
We use perception verbs to show what the characters do with their 5 senses.
Yes, that's right. What the characters do with their 5 senses. Okay, good. Next. This one has a typo, yeah, number 16, yeah. There are not enough lines for all the what is it, letters. Does anyone know what the answer is, number 16?
Explain or exclaim.
Exclaim. Yes, that's right. This is the most beautiful music I've ever heard. That's how you exclaim, right? And especially there is an exclamation mark.
Oh, sorry. Wait a minute.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Wait. What the character?
What do you mean, wait? I cannot move to the next slide yet.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay, wait. There are 5 senses.
Done? Okay.
Exclaim. Okay. Exclaim.
Do we need to put the ed, miss?
Huh?
We need to put the ed. Like,
Yeah, of course, because it happened in the past. One day was, yeah. Next. First
Yes, next.
house.
It's
Yeah.
okay. Next.
In
Oh,
first
yeah.
conditional sentences, there are conditions and results. Okay, and the condition uses the if plus the present simple, and the result uses the will future. Now, first conditional doesn't always use if or, but it can also use unless. Okay, unless is the exact opposite of if. And I don't know what until has anything to do with them, but yeah, the book puts until in the same grammar topic too. Anyway, let's move on, yeah. Now number 17. There's no Prana, right? Number 16, Kamil. Number 17, I mean.
If he read, yeah, I think it's verb 1. If he read the instruction carefully, he be able.
No, number 17, Al.
Yeah.
If he was reading in the instruction carefully, he been able to answer correctly.
What?
Remember that this is
Was
the first
reading 70.
Yes, Al.
The first conditional. There is a condition.
He's
and
okay.
a stop.
Carefully
What
too.
does the condition use?
Was reading.
Read.
A verb one. Nah,
Oh,
because
yes.
the subject is a he. The subject is a he, ya guys. You need to add an s after read.
And then say the first one.
Yeah,
Okay.
verb one with s. Don't forget the s because the subject is he. He, she, it, reads.
In. Yes, sorry.
Are you Dewi? Read. He, she, it, reads. Hardin reads. Kayla reads. Yeah. And then he. Now, what does the
Been.
Will be.
Been.
will
Will
B-double-E-N.
be.
Will be.
be? Don't forget that this is about the first conditional. All right. Now, number 18, I'm going to go to Riri. Okay, good. Riri says until, but actually you can also use
Unless.
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 Yes.
Unless.
It can be unless or it can be until. Yeah. Okay, good. Next, number 19. We write the sentence with unless without changing the meaning of the sentence. Wait. I want to go to Kayla. Unless you what? See? Okay, well done. Kayla says, unless he hurry up, he will miss the bus. Is that right, 6B?
He.
Yes.
He.
Almost. What is missing there?
Unless you hurry up, she will miss.
The S. Yeah. Don't forget the S. Unless he hurries up, he will miss the bus. Because the subject is he. Again, yeah, because the subject is he. Okay, that's how you change the sentence with if into the sentence with unless. You need to change one of the clauses into the opposite, from negative to positive or from positive to negative. Okay, because we choose to change this one and this one is negative, it means that we need to change it into positive. And the other clause stays the same. Okay, same. No changes, right? Okay, the last one, number 20. Is Falois here? Falois is not here, yeah? Shesa. What do you think, Shesa? We will be? It must be the opposite because we're using unless, right? We will be. What do you think? We will be. We will get. Okay, maybe Kazia has something in her mind about this. No? Kazia? What do you think? Sunny, what do you think? Vito, what do you think? Number 20.
Can I do it?
The magic will become Papa. That's my answer. Just no.
What did you say, Vito? What did Okay, fine. Let's do it together. Who wants to do it?
Can
Me.
I do it?
Okay, I go first.
Unless the magician shows us some new tricks, we will leave this concert.
Well done. We will leave this concert. Who else?
Me.
You will be bored.
Huh? We will be bored.
Can I do
Yes.
it?
Next. Who's say your name, dear. I cannot hear. I mean,
Alenka.
Alenka. Okay.
Okay. Unless the magician shows us some new tricks, we will be bored and never wanting to see those tricks again, or we will be bored for short.
Yes, that's right. You will be bored for sure, and you will never want to see those tricks again. Okay, who else have any answers? No one else wants to answer? Okay. So that's the first session of your review for the final test about Unit 1 and Unit 2. Next meeting, inshallah, on Tuesday, we're going to discuss Unit 3 and 4. And it is best for you to do it first before we meet again. Okay, 6B? Any questions about our session today, dear?
No.
No.
No? No? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, if you still have questions about Unit 1 and Unit 2, you can contact me at my number. Yeah, you know my number, right? Okay. Okay, I'm end this meeting. Thank you so much for attending. And let's say Alhamdulillah together.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Ya, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye. Thank you, Miss.
Miss, don't end the meeting, Miss.
I'm going to make Kiela as the host ya while waiting for Miss Eva ya.
Okay.
Okay, bye.